Transform your kitchen cabinets for under $100. Designer approved. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on transforming your kitchen cabinets on a budget. Whether you're a homeowner looking to refresh your space, a renter working with limitations, or a DIY enthusiast seeking your next project, updating kitchen cabinets can dramatically transform your entire kitchen without the hefty price tag of a full renovation. Kitchen cabinet makeovers might seem intimidating, but their importance cannot be overstated for anyone wanting to revitalize their kitchen. The difference between a mediocre and exceptional cabinet transformation isn't just about spending more. It's about specific techniques that enhance appearance, minimize effort, and deliver professional-looking results. Today, we're cutting through the renovation hype to reveal the single most crucial approach that separates truly effective cabinet transformations from disappointing attempts. This key method makes more difference than expensive products, specialty tools, or even hiring professionals in many cases. Before diving into that critical approach, let's establish what makes kitchen cabinets such a focal point in your kitchen. Cabinets typically occupy 60 to 70% of visible kitchen surfaces, making them the dominant visual element that sets the tone for your entire space. Their color, finish, and hardware create the foundation for your kitchen's style and feel. Standard kitchen cabinets are constructed from various materials including solid wood, MDF, plywood, or particle board with veneers. Most feature either raised panel, flat panel, or slab door styles, with finishes ranging from natural wood to painted surfaces or laminates. Now, the one approach that truly separates exceptional cabinet transformations from mediocre results: proper surface preparation calibrated to cabinet material. Surface preparation is the defining characteristic of a quality cabinet makeover, but it's not as simple as more sanding is better. The optimal preparation depends entirely on your specific cabinet material and existing finish. This nuanced understanding of preparation is what most DIY guides rarely explain clearly and what makes the biggest difference in performance. For wood or wood veneer cabinets with existing stain or clear finish, thorough degreasing followed by light scuff sanding, 220 grit, provides the ideal foundation for new finishes. These cabinets require removal of cooking oils and residue that have built up over years, often with specialized degreasers like TSP Substitute or specific cabinet cleaners. For painted wood or MDF cabinets, more aggressive sanding or chemical deglazing is necessary to create proper adhesion. These medium preparation cabinets usually require 120 to 150 grit sanding, focused on removing shine rather than the entire existing finish. For laminate, thermofoil, or melamine cabinets, specialized bonding primers designed specifically for non-porous surfaces are essential. These smooth surfaces require chemical etching or specialized primers rather than extensive sanding, which can damage the thin surface layer. This crucial relationship between cabinet material and preparation method explains why many designers emphasize prep work over expensive products. No single preparation approach excels across all cabinet types and finishes. The most disappointing experiences with cabinet transformations almost always stem from mismatched preparation. Using inadequate degreasing on kitchen cabinets results in peeling and adhesion failures, while excessive sanding on veneered surfaces can damage the thin wood layer irreparably. Now that we understand this critical approach, let's examine other important factors that complement the right preparation method. Primer selection significantly impacts longevity and finish quality. Shellac-based primers like Zinsser BIN offer excellent adhesion and stain blocking for wood cabinets at around $20 per quart. Water-based bonding primers designed for cabinets provide good adhesion with lower odor for well-prepared surfaces. For laminate cabinets, specialized adhesion primers like INSLX sticks are essential despite their higher cost. Avoid basic latex wall primers without specific adhesion properties, as these typically lack the bonding strength needed for kitchen cabinets. For high humidity environments, prioritize mildew-resistant formulations with enhanced durability. Paint or finish selection is particularly important for cabinets, which face harsh conditions including temperature changes, humidity, and frequent touching. Quality cabinet paints feature hard self-leveling formulations like urethane-modified acrylics or alkyd acrylic hybrids. These specialized paints cost $25 to $45 per quart, but offer significantly better hardness and durability than standard wall paints. Some professional-grade cabinet finishes feature water-based alkyds that flow like traditional oil paints, but clean up with soap and water. a valuable feature for DIYers. Finishes should balance durability with ease of application for best results. Application method selection depends primarily on your cabinet style and desired finish. Foam rollers, high-density velour finish work well for flat surfaces and provide smooth results. High-quality synthetic brushes, 2 to 2.5 inch, handle detail work and inset panels effectively. Small spray systems offer professional-level smoothness but require more setup and masking. For textured or rustic finishes, specialty application tools like sponges or rags create unique effects. For most home DIYers, a combination of mini rollers and quality brushes provides the best versatility if you're working with standard cabinet styles. Commercial painters often use spray systems for efficiency on larger jobs. Hardware updating also matters significantly. Quality replacement pulls and knobs, ranging from $2 to $10 each, can completely transform the look of cabinets with minimal effort. Consider standardized sizing, 3 inches or 96 millimeters for pulls, to utilize existing holes when possible. Modern finishes like matte black, brushed brass, or matte nickel can update cabinets instantly. The hardware installation technique also influences results. Well-designed hardware installation includes using templates for consistent placement, pre-drilling appropriately sized holes, and ensuring handles align perfectly across multiple cabinets. Based on consumer reviews and designer insights across different cabinet types, here are our specific recommendations based on budget constraints. For ultra-budget transformations under $50, Rust-Oleum cabinet. Transformations Kit, small, offers decent results with simplified preparation steps and included deglosser, bond coat, and top coat in one system for around $45. For moderate budgets around $75, Benjamin Moore Advanced Paint, 1 quart, paired with Zinsser Bin Primer and 10 to 15 new hardware pieces provides excellent durability and professional finish quality. For maximum impact at exactly $100. Sherwin-Williams, Emerald Urethane Trim Enamel combined with specialized cabinet prep cleaner, quality application tools, and 15 to 20 trendy hardware pieces delivers designer-level results. For visible upgrades without painting, investing the full budget in 25 to 30 high-end hardware pieces plus under-cabinet lighting strips can transform appearances without touching paint. The most important advice we can offer: match your preparation method to your specific cabinet material. This single consideration will improve your results more than any other factor, regardless of budget. Proper technique extends beyond preparation. Always remove doors and drawers before painting for best results. Label each piece with numbered tape on the inside edge to ensure proper replacement. Work in thin coats rather than thick applications, allowing proper drying time between coats as specified by the product manufacturer. We hope this guide helps you select the right approach for your specific cabinet transformation needs. What type of cabinets do you have in your kitchen, and which transformation approach would you try? Share your plans in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical kitchen renovation insights that focus on what really matters for results. Thanks for watching.